welcome to this video. It's DJ Deeds coming at you with a microphone review. Today we're taking a look at the FiFine clip-on lavalier microphone. I was really excited to get this product because I've been in search of the perfect clip-on microphone, and I think this one just might fit the bill because it includes a USB grade sound card, meaning that with the unit itself, all I need to do is plug it into a computer, no drivers needed, and I am ready and good to go to recording. So in this video, I'm going to unbox it and give my initial thoughts. So the unboxing experience is very well thought out. The unit comes in a very good and very clear cardboard box, and inside there's a wealth of instruction manuals that make setting up the unit, regardless of whether you're on Mac or PC, very easy. Inside you see we have the USB sound card, which includes on the back a headphone output, which means you can cue what you're listening to and cue the master output of the computer on the headphones, which I really like to see. And the other cord out of the headphones itself is the microphone. So the unboxing experience is pretty straightforward because it's just basically a USB sound card connected to a lavalier microphone with a audio wind filter to prevent unnecessary wind noise, and that's a nice black mesh material. I was really happy to see the cord is very long, meaning that you can keep the computer kind of far away and you can be far away from the computer and have that freedom and flexibility. I was also happy to see that the USB sound card is of a very high quality and has an LED blue light to alert the user and let them know that it's turned on. And as you can see, when you pull off the wind deflector, you have a multi-dimensional recording device. This video itself is being recorded on the device, so you can judge yourself the sound quality. But I'm really excited to use this mic, and thanks so much for watching.